What's up everyone, this is All I Talk is Tech, and in this video, it's going to be a quick video and I'm going to be explaining what to do if someone is trying to track you with an AirTag. On top of that, I'll be explaining how they work in a way real quickly, just so that way you know what you can do to prevent yourself so you can understand how to be safer. So that way you can't be tracked down by one of these. So if you are being tracked, I will teach you how to locate the AirTag. I will teach you how to detach yourself from the Find My network so that way your phone does not report to the AirTag. And on top of that, I'll be showing you what you can do once you actually find the AirTag that is tracking you, because you obviously don't want to just take the AirTag and throw it away in your trash can if you do think you are being tracked. That is not a wise thing to do because you can still be tracked. So these things are also waterproof. And guys, real quick before we get started, I just want to mention that I actually have a playlist on awesome ways you can customize your iPhone that are pretty much not seen anywhere else on YouTube. These are really cool, unique ways to get the most out of your iPhone. But on top of that, I'm going to be having a ton of videos on AirTags, so check those out as well. So if you're interested in seeing over 100 AirTag features, check out the upcoming videos, and let's get started with the video. Let me show y'all what needs to be done. But first, I need to explain real quickly how they work so you can be safer. It'll be real quick. Alright, long story short, this is an AirTag. It has multiple features. It has NFC, so that means my iPhone has a sensor that can tell if it's close by. But on top of that, if this AirTag is in public, it uses the Find My network and can ping other iPhones. And based off those iPhones' location, sends a signal to my iPhone, letting my iPhone know where the AirTag is. So long story short, if my iPhone's here, someone else's iPhone and a ton of iPhones are here, and the AirTag is here, all the iPhones pick up the fact that there's an AirTag and they report to my phone. That's, long story short, how an AirTag works. So, if you're one of those phones, that means your phone one day, if you're all by yourself and you have an internet connection and someone's tracking you, your phone is reporting your location to that AirTag. So how do you stop yourself from even encountering that? Well, first thing I'm going to do is you need to know if there's an AirTag tracking you. So what you want to do is open up the Find My app on your iPhone, and then from here, you see where it says Item Safety Alerts? Turn that on. The next thing y'all want to do is, if you are really paranoid, remember how I was saying a bunch of iPhones report where the AirTag is? If you're alone by yourself and have an internet connection and someone is tracking you, your iPhone is that phone that is reporting the location. And this could be to someone who is trying to track you. So how do you stop that? Well, if you don't want to be in that situation, all iPhones that participate in that feature have Find My turned on. So if you turn off Find My, you are no longer in that pool of people that report to AirTag. So not only will you save a ton of battery, but you would want to turn off Find My iPhone, Find My network, and send last location. And I know that stinks, but if you really don't want to be tracked, first of all, you'll save a ton of battery just in general, but also your phone will not report the location of an AirTag. So that's one way to keep yourself safe. So that's one way. Another thing you can do is, once you actually do find the AirTag, most people would try to pair it up with their phone, but what you should do is, before disposing of it, drive to a location that probably is not close to where you live, so that way the last reported location is not your house, you know? Whereas if an AirTag is disabled at someone's house, you know, the person tracking you would be like, oh, well, that's where they live. Obviously, I'm going to go there. But if you disable it, if you drive to the city or something like that and then disable it, it'll stop tracking you, and then you can go back to your house, and it will spoof up the map and look really weird. So here's how you disable an AirTag. Long story short, all you got to do is remove the battery like that, take it out, and now this thing's a useless hockey puck. So there you go. Pretty sick. And this is just a way to protect yourself, because someone tracking you is no bueno. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. More videos are on the way, and as always, peace.